glow with alarm.
Hello, little writers.
Hello.
Today we're going to trace the lowercase and uppercase letter D. Grab your pencil or crayon and let's make some fun letter magic together. Are you ready? Go! Uppercase D.
Start with a straight line down. Then, go back to the top and make a big round belly like a half circle. Perfect D.
Lowercase d.
Step 1. Start by making a magic line, just like you're drawing a stick. Begin at the top and draw a straight line down. Think of it like a tall stick for a lollipop. Step 2. Now, let's give our stick a round tummy. Start in the middle of the stick and make a circle going to the left. It's like the stick is wearing a big round backpack, and that's it. You just made the lowercase letter D, a stick with a round backpack.
Dog starts with D, da 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 da. D for dog, woof woof bark.
You did it! You've traced the uppercase and the lowercase letter D. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a tracing pro. Parents, now, you can help your little one by guiding their hand, and soon they'll be drawing the letter D like a pro. Wait, don't leave yet! Did you have fun? Yay! Well, guess what? The fun doesn't have to stop here. If you love learning and having a good laugh, hit that subscribe button. It's as easy as saying ABC. So click subscribe and join the fun. Let's keep learning and laughing together. See you soon. Bye.